Hey kids, how are you all? I am Nisha Mahyavanshi from Ashwamek Vidyalaya and I am going to teach you GK. Till this time, we have studied English, Maths, Science, English, Maths, EVS, Hindi, Gujarati, right? Many subjects, but we have not studied GK in this lockdown. Okay, so today we will study about GK. What do you mean by GK? GK means general knowledge. General knowledge of what? General knowledge of world, country, our nation, our surrounding. Yes, हमारे जो भी एरिया है या फिर हमें पूरी दुनिया की जो नॉलेज मिलती है उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? जनरल नॉलेज. एंड एवरीवन शुड हैव कि क्या हो रहा है, राइट. द लेटेस्ट जनरल नॉलेज इज़ टू हैव नॉलेज अबाउट कोविड-19, राइट. अभी जो कोरोना वायरस चल रहा है उसके बारे में जो हम जानकारी रखते हैं वो भी एक जनरल नॉलेज है, राइट. टू लर्निंग, टू नोइंग, राइट. So, we will start today our chapter number 1 in our book. This is our book. Hope you all have got the books. Yes. This is our first chapter, My India, the Pioneers. My India. We all are Indians, right? The pioneers. Pioneers means the person who have started something first time in any field and have become successful in that field is known as pioneer. जब कोई इंसान कुछ स्टार्ट करता है like companies or something in business and he becomes very much successful, right, that person are called pioneers. And in our India we are proud to have some pioneers. Yes, see here some pictures are given. Some famous Indians have established themselves successfully in their respective fields, hence they are called the pioneers. Let us meet a few of them today, right. They have become very much successful in their stream, in their business. Okay, so they are known as a pioneers of our India. Okay, let's see. Match the famous personalities with their creations. Write the correct letter to know. Yes, first of all we will see the names. Jamshedji Tata, and I will say you also something about them. Jamshed Singh Tata has organization and founded Tata Groups of Industries, Tata Steel Limited, Taj Hotels, Tata Sons and many more. Tata is regarded as the legendary father of the Indian industry. This person is the father of our industry. He is a very good businessman and had become a very successful in his life. Okay, he has started Tata Group of Industries. So from here Reliance Group, Hotmail, Nirma Products, Steel Industries, Birla Group, Godrej, Mahindra & Sons, Wipro Corporations, Steel Industries at Jamshedpur, right. So section D is our answer. Okay, we will talk about them and we will also write the answers. Ghanshyam Das Birla. Ghanshyam Das Birla was the pioneering Indian businessman and a member of Birla family. who has founded Birla Engineering Colleges, Birla Institute of Technology and Science, Piliani, UCO, Bank, and many Birla Group of Industries. Means he was the person who have first time started a Birla Group of Industries. Okay, then from here E, Birla Group of Industries. Dhirubhai Ambani, yes, our Gujarati person, our Gujarat person, Dhirubhai Ambani. We all know about it. He has started many things of Reliance, right? Reliance Mobile are there, Reliance shops are there, and many more things we see. Dheeraj Lal Hirchand Ambani, a popularly known as Dhirubhai Ambani, was an Indian business tycoon who founded Reliance Industries. Mukesh Ambani, Anil Ambani, Naina Kothari, Dipti Kothari are his family, and he was awarded by the Padma Vibhushan Award, right? Padma Vibhushan Award. Okay. Then what he has founded? Reliance Group of Industries. Okay. Now next is our Keshav Mahindra. Keshav Mahindra is an Indian businessman and the chairman of the Mahindra Groups. He retired as a chairman in August 2012 after heading the groups for nearly 5 decades, handing over the position to his nephew Anand Mahindra. Mahindra is known for his philanthropy, and he have started organizations like Mahindra and Mahindra Groups. Mahindra Group of Industries have also many things like Mahindra Cars, right? We also have Mahindra Cars. Okay, he has started Mahindra and Mahindra Groups. Okay, so here Mahindra and Mahindra. G. Sabir Bhatia. Sabir Bhatia is an Indian American businessman who co-founded the webmail company Hotmail.com. This person has started the Hotmail first time. Okay, so here Hotmail, answer will be the Hotmail. Azim Premji. Hasim Premji is an Indian business tycoon, investor, engineer, philanthropist who is the chairman of Wipro Limited. He is informally known as the Khazar of the Indian IT industry. He was awarded by Padma Bhushanam, IET, Faraday Medal and more. Okay, so Azim Premji has started Wipro Corporation. H. Karsanbhai Patel. Karsanbhai Khodilal Patel, his full name, is an Indian industrialist, founder of rupees 42,500 crores Nirma Group with major interest in cements, detergents, soaps and cosmetics. He has started Nirma Sabun we have, Nirma products we have, right? Soap, detergent and many things. He also started Nirma University. The Nirma University, he has also started the Nirma University, and he was awarded by Padma Shri Award. Okay. So he has, which company he has started? Nirma Products. Ardeshir Bhurjorji Godrej. Ardeshir Bhurjorji Godrej. Ardesh Hir Burjorji Sorboji Godrej was an Indian businessman with his brother Firsoj Shah Burjorji. He co-founded the Godrej Brothers Company, the procedure of the modern Godrej Group. He had started the Godrej Company, the company which makes products of Godrej, right? So here Godrej Empire. He was the owner of the Godrej Empire. It is rightly said that there is no success without hard work. Always remember this. When we have to become a successful person in our life, we always have to do hard work. Okay, we always have to do hard work. We have to, now you are studying, so you have to do hard work in your studies. Okay, when you will become graduate, you have to work hard to do a good job. Okay, Narayana Murthy is the founder of one of the world's most successful giant company, Infosys. Okay, by this we wind up this lecture and we meet next time with more knowledge of GK. Thank you. Take care. Bye. See you.